Design a banner as a global section to use on multiple pages. Start by designing your banner on desktop. Make sure it looks good on all breakpoints and tweak if needed. Set the section as a global section. Give it a name so you can easily find it later. Go to the other pages where you want this banner to appear. Open the Global Sections panel, pick your banner, and click Add to Page. In the Layers panel, drag the section to place it exactly where you want it. And that's how you streamline your design workflow with global sections.